In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete old emails in Gmail. Decluttering your inbox not only makes it easier to find what you need, it can also help free up storage space. We'll use Gmail's built-in search tools to quickly target messages by age and remove them in a few clicks. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. At the very top, you'll see the search bar. On the right side of that bar, there's a small icon for search options. It looks like sliders or a funnel. Click that to open the advanced search panel. Here, you'll see several fields, but the one we're focusing on is labeled Date Within. This Date Within menu gives you convenient presets. You can choose options like yesterday, 3 days, various week and month ranges, and up to 1 year. If you just want to clear out messages that are older around a certain period, pick the preset that makes sense for you. If you need a specific time frame, use the date field right next to it to anchor your search. For example, you might set Date Within to 1 year and then choose a particular date to capture emails within a year of that date. When you're ready, click the search button. Gmail will now show you only the emails that match the time frame you set. Take a moment to skim the list and make sure you're seeing the right messages. When you're confident, look above your emails and click the checkbox at the top left to select all the messages on the current page. Then, click the trash icon to move them to the trash. If your search returns more messages than fit on one page, Gmail may show a small banner offering to select all conversations that match this search. Clicking that link will select everything in the results at once, which is helpful for large cleanups. After selecting, click the trash icon to delete them in bulk. A quick note on safety. Deleting moves emails to the trash, where they stay for 30 days before Gmail permanently removes them. If you change your mind right after deleting, look for the undo option that briefly appears, or open the trash to restore any messages you still need. This gives you a buffer so you can tidy up confidently. That's all there is to it. By using the Date Within filter and the Select All checkbox, you can clear old emails quickly and safely. Repeat the process with different time ranges whenever your inbox needs a refresh, and enjoy a cleaner, more manageable Gmail.